ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
A day at the mall. Shopping, eating, and having fun.
Hello, everyone. Today I want to take you with me to the mall. The mall is big, the mall is busy, and the mall is full of life. I love this place. Look at this store. This store is my favorite clothing shop. I see beautiful shirts, jackets, and jeans. This jacket is new, and I like it a lot. But this price is high. I need to think before I buy it. Now, look over there. That shop is the electronics store. That phone is very modern. That computer is fast and expensive. I don't buy it today, but I like looking at it. Let's move to another part of the mall. These shoes are fantastic. They are colorful, they are comfortable, and they are not too expensive. These sneakers are perfect for the weekend. I think I want them. Look behind me. Those bags are beautiful. They are in the window of the accessories shop. Those black bags are elegant, and those red bags are stylish. Many people stop and look at them. After shopping, it is time to eat. Look at this restaurant. This pizza is delicious. This salad is fresh. And this dessert is sweet and perfect. Over there, near the cinema, is another option. That food court is always busy. That burger is big. That juice is cold. Many families eat there on Saturdays and Sundays. I walk with my friends. These moments are special. We talk. We laugh. We buy small things. We enjoy the afternoon together. And when I finish my visit, I look back at the entrance. Those lights are bright. Those people are walking fast. The mall is always alive. So, this is my day at the mall. This place is fun. That store is interesting. These shoes are great. Those bags are amazing. Shopping, eating, and spending time with friends is always the best. Thank you for listening.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.